Now this is the last step of the project. Voting results will be shown and finalization. The project that we have been covering, LAN based classroom voting project, and in this case, if you recall in the previous tutorial, this was the question that we showed, and when the user wishes to view results, this button changes into view results when the vote is successfully cast, and when this button is clicked, the user is to be taken to the results page where votes cast, the choice and the percentage votes cast, that has to be shown to the user, and there has to be a sign out button also. So this is the target of this tutorial. Let us open the project that we were doing the previous time and come to the place where we left it. So if you recall, when the vote was cast successfully, we came to this point, and then this view results button was shown. In the previous tutorial we have already done this, and it takes the user to the results.cs HTML page. It takes the user to the results page. So this results page we have to complete this time. So let's open the results page to see how we have done it. This is the results page, and let us come to the backing class first. So first of all, we have marked the class with authorized attribute so that only authorized users can view this page. And after that we have the project context logger. Dependency injection brings the two, context and logger, they are cached here, and then we have an I enumerable of the choice and the percentage votes cast. So basically we will have an I enumerable like this: 20%, 40%, whatever votes are cast. So this will be shown through the I enumerable. This will be sent, this will be available in the CSHTML file, and from there a graph chart, a bar chart will be presented to the user. And let's now see the onGet method. In the onGet method, our first task is to obtain the total number of votes, cast for this poll name. This is used to obtain the percentage. And next, the IEnumerable is obtained by grouping on votes for this poll name. We are grouping on choice, and then we make a report of the choice and the percentage votes cast, and then as enumerable, and then this is a tuple. This is a tuple of choice and votes. You can see that this enumerable is a tuple. It is a tuple, C# tuple. You might have to review your concepts. This is a tuple of choice and votes cast, and here we are obtaining the tuple and ordering by choice so that ABCD the reports appear in an order, and then this array is created to get IEnumerable, and logging is done, and finally the onGet signout async method is for signing out, and here signout async and a log and a redirection to the get OTP page. And let us now see the backing class, see the file, CSHTML file. In this file you can see that we have, this is for the sign out, and this is the route for the sign out, and model for the results model, results h1, and some data was seeded in program.cs file. This bar chart can be improved in whatever way you like. And after this we have used a for each loop on the model enumeration, the enumeration of results, and a div with width proportional to the percentage, to the proportional to the votes cast, to the percentage of votes, and a suitable class, and this choice and votes percentage are presented. So what basically we have is, this is proportional to the votes cast, and here a 20%, it is this format that each div will present. And finally we have this sign out button. This sign out will cause the sign out. This page handler is sign out, so the route will appear as localhost / sign out, and this we have connected to this on get sign out async. So this completes the project and we can now run it. The cookie expires in 20 minutes, so we have to get OTP. This will show the whole run also. Enter the OTP, sign in, and we are shown the question. Click submit, voted, view results, and when you view results, you see a bar chart. A is 16%, B so many percent, C so many percent, and D so many. Some data was seeded, so that is why this data is already there. And we can then click sign out and we are back to the sign in page. We'll close it right now. Thank you.